County in Middle Tennessee until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 9 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Houston, Humphreys, Hickman, and Dixon counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
Holy crap, dude!
Flash flooding include Dixon, Waverly,
Yo!
Erin, White Bluff, Burns,
No!
Charlotte, Van Leer, Slayton, Pinewood, Menley, Aqua, Lyles, Prince Springs, and Houston County Airport. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or
Oh my god, dude, I'm scared.
order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
This is
Most
nuts.
deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Holy crap.
At 6:09 a.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Dude, this is nuts.